Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Hive. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Hive works. So, if you have no idea about Hive and how to get started, then this video is for you. Hive is a cloud-based project management software that any size of business can use to manage teams, collaborate, plan projects, assign tasks, and automate workflow processes. Most companies use the Hive platform for task management, note-taking, resource management, progress tracking, and boosting workplace productivity. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to use Hive. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will go ahead and jump right into the Hive tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account. And if you already have an account, just skip this step and let's sign in. So, here we are in my Hive account. I created this new account for the purpose of explanation, so you can follow the steps with ease. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in Hive, and then I'll show you how we can use Hive. Once you've signed up for Hive, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access all of your Hive tools and features. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find the navigation panel. The navigation panel in Hive is an important part of the platform that allows users to access different features and functions. The first option in the navigation panel is My Actions. This is the default menu option in Hive, and it takes users to their to-do list, which lists every task that has been assigned to them with due dates. Next is Hive Apps, which is an app library that contains premium apps, workspace apps, and personal apps. Users can pin the apps they frequently use by using the pins on the top right of the app tiles to unpin or pin them. For example, the forms allow users to create custom forms that anyone, internally or externally, can fill out in their browser. Submitted forms have the option to automatically create an action card in Hive with all the form details. Notes is a private notes section for personal notes, comments, and next steps users want to take action on without sharing them with the team. Time tracking allows users to see a breakdown of tracked and estimated time spent on the project by each of their team members. The portfolio view is an all-in-one place to see the details of Project Navigator combined with the flexibility of a table view. Hive University is a self-learning platform for those who are looking to learn Hive at their own pace or practice their knowledge. Users need a Hive account to take courses, but anyone can browse the site, and other apps. Next, we have the Projects tab. Projects allow users to easily track project status in real time, assign tasks to team members, keep up with the progress reports from each task owner, and monitor milestones. My Team is where users can see all of the members of their team. You can customize your navigation panel. You can resize it by hovering over the right-hand side and dragging the panel to the required size. Besides navigation panel, there are also several helpful buttons and features on the dashboard. The Plus New button located at the top of the panel allows you to create new projects, actions, notes, and request forms. The Invite button, also located at the top of the panel, enables you to invite new team members to join your team. The notification bar displays all of your notifications in one place. And from the last option, you can view your profile and access your settings. This is where you can update your status, time settings, and more. Now, to create a project in Hive, first click on the blue Plus New button and select Project from the drop-down menu. This will open up a pop-up window with two options: create a new blank project or import project. Choose the desired option and type the name for the project. Then select the appropriate location for the project and change the project color if desired. To add a date to your project, click on Add Date and select the date you want for your project. After that, click on Next, Project Members. You will be taken to the Invite Project Members window where you can invite people to join your project. You have 3 options: Private to Me, Specific People, and Everyone. The first option, Private to Me, means that only you can view this project and its actions. The second option, Specific People, means that you can invite specific people to view this project. The third option, Everyone, means that you can invite all members of your workspace to join this project. Once you have chosen the desired option, click on Next, Choose Layout. In the Choose Layout window, you will see different types of layouts available for your project, such as Status View, Team View, Calendar View, and Gantt View. Select the desired layout and click on the Create Project button. Now your project is created. Once your project is created, you will see 3 different sections inside the project window: Unstarted, In Progress, and Completed. In the Unstarted section, you can create a new action and assign it to your team members. To create an action, simply type the name of the task and hit Enter. To assign it to a team member, click on the Contact icon and select the team member you want to assign the task to. Now that you've created those actions, you can add more details to the action card. Click on one of your actions, and it will open up a modal showing all the action details. There are a lot of details you can add to provide more context to your action. I recommend to start simple, but when you're ready, there are some powerful ways to manage tasks. These include descriptions, a place to give more details, instructions, or context to the action; sub-actions. If your action is bigger, sub-actions can break it into more manageable pieces; attachments and files, documents that will help you perform the action; comments, a place to discuss progress with relevant members of your team; and others. Once you've added the details that are needed to complete the action, click Close to leave the modal. The In Progress section shows all the tasks that are currently being worked on by your team members. The Completed section shows all the tasks that have been completed by your team members. With these sections, you can easily track the progress of your project and ensure that everything is on track. To edit your project in Hive, the first step is to choose the project you want to make changes to. Once you have selected the desired project, navigate to the More option located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and then select Edit Project from the drop-down menu. From here, you can change the project name, location, color, dates, layout, and you can also add project members. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Hive. There's more to learn about Hive, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.